this exercise is the jumping squats burps. So basically it's a jumping squats and then you do a burp. And I'm going to show you how. My feet are wide, not very wide and not closed. So maybe a little bit outside my shoulder width. Toes a little bit pointed. I squat, jump, then hands on the floor, burp, in, squat, jump, back, in, squat, jump. I show you sideways. I'm here. Squat, jump, hands on the floor, burp. The burp, I stop here. I lock my hips and I get into a plank. Then come back here, squat, jump, hands, back, lock, don't sag. Lock, back, squat, jump, burp, in, squat, jump. Okay? Now, it's important to be careful with your heels, with your knees in the squat. So when you're coming back from the burp, I come back in a safe way, in a squat forward. What I mean is that I'm back. When I'm coming back, I come back here. Not here, not here, in a squat. Then so that I be able to squat straight away. Enjoy.